In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Grok AI. By the end, you'll feel confident attaching a picture right into your conversation without any guesswork. First, open Grok. You can do this in your web browser or through the app, depending on how you usually access it. Once Grok is open, make sure you're on the chat or workspace where you want the image to appear. You should see the message box area where you typically type. Next, look for the image upload or attachment button. This is usually located near the message input field. The icon can vary a bit by layout, but it often looks like a small picture frame, a camera, or a paperclip. Sometimes there's a label like Upload or Attach next to it. If the interface is compact, the icon may be subtle, so take a moment to scan around the message bar and the edges of the chat panel. When you've located the icon, click the Upload button. This action opens your device's file picker, which is the window that lets you choose a file from your computer or mobile device. Depending on your system, you may see a list, thumbnails, or recent items. This is completely normal, and just means you're in the right place to select your image. Now browse your device for the image file you want to share. Common folders to check include Pictures, Photos, or Downloads, especially if you recently saved or took the image. Thumbnails can help you confirm you've got the right picture at a glance. Most standard formats are supported, like JPG and PNG, and many systems will show you a small preview so you can double-check the content before proceeding. If you're working with a very large image, be aware that upload times can vary with your connection speed. Once you've found the correct file, select the image and click Open. On some devices, this button might say Choose, Select, or a similar confirmation. After you confirm, the file picker will close and you'll be returned to Grok. You should see a brief indicator that the image is being added, such as a progress bar, a thumbnail preview, or the file name appearing near the message area. Give it a moment to finish attaching so everything is ready. That's all there is to it. You opened Grok, found the attachment icon, clicked to upload, browsed to your image, and selected it to confirm. With these steps, you can quickly bring visuals into your conversation whenever you need them.